I frequently have to clean up stuff that I don't want getting into my vacuum cleaner, like construction stuff or wet stuff that is absolutely bad for a vacuum cleaner. So I have this paint bucket, and I want to connect it to the vacuum cleaner so I can create a kind of a shop vac, those that usually have a large container for all the dust and stuff. I'll connect it to the vacuum cleaner, and that's the end of the story. I'll be able to clean up stuff, and all the dirt and things will stay in the bucket, and only fine dust may get into the vacuum cleaner. But everything heavy or wet will stay in the bucket, and I'll just empty it, and that's it. I don't have to clean out the bag from the vacuum cleaner. So this is pretty simple. I had this plastic tube. I have to decrease the diameter so it fits in there. It's really easy. The suction will hold it in like that, or the other way around. Yeah, like this. And then I was trying this, a plastic cup, but it's I don't think I need that. I will just put another tube that goes into the top of the bucket and connects like that to the other tube, and that's it. And the long tube of the vacuum cleaner will connect further away from the suction, like here. Then all the dust will fall down in the bottom of the bucket, and it will be able to spin around just like in a vacuum cleaner. So yeah, I just have to cut 2 holes basically, and duct tape together this tube, these 2 tubes, and that's it. Then all my problems will be solved. I can clean up anything from anywhere, no matter how disgusting. Well, yeah, it might get into the tube of the vacuum cleaner here, but I think I can clean it out with water. I can wash it out if it gets really ugly. Maybe. I never tried it, but it has nothing dangerous inside, nothing that could rust. It's just plastic. So theoretically, yeah, theoretically, I could clean it out easily. So it's enough if this diameter tube goes into the top of the bucket. I don't want this larger diameter. It doesn't need to click in because the suction will hold it in. And I have to drill then 2 holes, and that's it. I'll mark it out. Focus, white balance, yeah. So one will be, let's say, here. It's not a problem if it's slightly larger than the tube. I cut it out there, and on the other side, for this will have to go in like that, in an angle, at an angle. But I will just draw a circle and then modify it like here. No problem. Then I'll probably use hot glue if there's significant leakage anywhere. If air is getting in somewhere, then I just hot glue it and be done with it. This is a $1 project. Be right back.